Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to quickly iron a shirt. First, ensure your iron is at the correct temperature for your fabric type, usually a medium setting for cotton. Lay your shirt flat on the ironing board, making sure there are no creases underneath. A light mist of water can help stubborn wrinkles relax. We'll begin with the collar, then tackle the cuffs, and finally the sleeves for a smooth finish. Now, let's move to the main body of the shirt. Carefully iron the front panels, navigating around any buttons with the tip of your iron. Next, lay the back of the shirt flat and iron it thoroughly, ensuring all wrinkles are gone. Remember to keep the iron moving to avoid scorching. This systematic approach saves time and ensures a crisp, professional look for your garment. For the final touches, give your shirt a quick once-over to catch any missed spots or minor creases. Once perfectly ironed, immediately place the shirt on a good quality hanger. This prevents new wrinkles from forming while the fabric is still warm. Let it cool down completely before putting it in your closet or wearing it. This simple step ensures your hard work lasts. Here are a few extra tips for maintaining a wrinkle-free wardrobe. For a super quick refresh, a garment steamer or even just the steam setting on your iron can work wonders on lightly wrinkled items. Also, ironing shirts inside out can help protect their color and any delicate prints. And hey, while you're making smart choices for your clothes, why not upgrade your socks? Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're worth it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.